Oh. Gross. I just got shoot with the happy little sad. Coke, sponsor us. And everything? Hey! Okay, on our way. All packed.
Wow, we brought a lot of stuff.
Yeah. No. Ooh! 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 Ontario. We at the campsite. Our tiny little campsite. Woo! We've made it. The tent interior I can stand, so it is quite tall. It has a door,
What was that?
and it's got a little entrance. Hey! It's got a little entrance, which is so cute. And we forgot so many things, like ketchup and roasting sticks, but we will make do.
We have sticks.
Yeah, nature is our roasting sticks.
We got lambs.
Look at that shot.
Oh, wow.
Wow. You ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? I love Coke. Coke, sponsor us. Cheers. Yum. Yeah, our dog's roasting. We forgot sticks. With our fork. Very good. But we got the Veggie Crisps Lagoon. Cheers. We got that. Ooh, look at that. That looks more delicious. Got the lower rapids. We have this rock, and I am about to climb it because I'm a climber. Are you ready to go? Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Whoa, whoa. Spider-Man.
Ow. Snowshoes dirty.
Got my dog's dirty.
Reached the end of our hike. And there's so many mosquitoes, it's time to go. It's time to leave. Do we just walk over? I'm in the rail. Yo, she got them bird move. A world gone wrong.
Amen to that, brother.
Be making pancakes over our. Look at that huge fire that I made. I am a pro. The goods.
We did.
We've got in Kenora.
Yeah,
it's cold. Damn, it's cold. I'm scared to like trip.
Yeah, because it was like kind of slippery, right? I mean, you're a pro.
But can you do that? Very nice. So we're gonna make some Sammys.
Bread.
We got bread, we got cheese, we got some turkey, we got some, this is mayo. Mayonnaise. Is on our sandwiches. Going for a little walk. Oh, I think we wanted to eat our sandwiches over there, but I think there's a bridge we can cross over there. So, I just threw my phone.
No! Help me. You got it?
Yeah.
I just actually stripped him off.
Hey
What's
guys.
gonna happen? I'm gonna tie it so it doesn't do that again. So, nobody needs to see me. Okay, so Suck.
This is really good.
Okay.
I like how I just
Oh no.
going to the water. To the water. Little trail that we found. A little over there. We got the beach. We are boiling water for ramen. Yeah. Got the ice cream. Yay. We got the fire. We got the bake. Prime quality.
Huh?
It's very good. We're basically just all packed up. Got all our things ready to go. Just have to do the tent. Fire is out. Goodbye, Rushing River. Camping trip was a success. Bye.